I'm alone. I asked my assistant, Miss Mary, to bring my car from the garage. What headlamp on my car went out. She should be back any minute now. I got some emails related to my last video, the Philadelphia experiment. People are lost for words. How was it possible to make so many mistakes? It couldn't happen to me. I'm sure. Your first question, how? But one moment please. It's a bit hot. I have to turn on air condition. I heard some strange noise. It sounded like a big bang. Something went wrong. Once again. Oops! It seems that I can hear disembodied screams in distance. It is indeed very strange. But I know when to stop. Okay, it stopped. But still I can hear screaming that is becoming more and more louder. I hope it isn't a scream of lost sailor from the destroyer Escort USS Eldridge. Miss Mary! Miss Mary, why are you so screaming? You have frightened me to death. No, it's impossible. Have I caused your screaming? How? Have I opened and closed doors on my garage? How? How? Is this not remote control for air condition? Is this for the garage? And what about my car? The headlamps are working, but my car is open-topped.